Hey everyone, welcome back to Moses TCG. In this video, I will show you how to enable Bluetooth on Windows 11 step by step. Whether your Bluetooth is missing, turned off, or just bought to a new PC, by the end of this video, you have it up and running. So let's get started. First, you need to check. You have to check here and see if you don't have that icon for Bluetooth. If it is not there, the second step, you need to click on Start. You search for Device Manager. You click on it. Under Devices, you look for Bluetooth and you check and see if it is not disabled. If you can't find it here, I'm using a laptop, and I hope, like everyone who is using a laptop, it is by default you must have a Bluetooth. So after checking that you have your Bluetooth function there and its drivers are there, you are good to go. If the drivers are not there, I will link in the description below how to download drivers for Windows 11. After checking that it is available, the function is there and all the drivers are installed properly, the next step, you have to go to Start. You search for Bluetooth. You click on Bluetooth and other devices settings. You check and see if your Bluetooth is not turned off. If it is turned off, click turn it on. You observe here down on the taskbar. If it becomes available again, you know that it was a Bluetooth problem which was disabled. Now the second and the last step, if your computer is new, you have to right click. You go to Open Settings. You right click on the Bluetooth icon. You right click and you say Open Settings. Okay. Now from there, you go down. Let me check. I'm looking for something. More Bluetooth settings. You check and see if this cover is checked. If it is not checked, you check it. Otherwise, if you leave it unchecked, your computer will not be discovered. So any device you're trying to pair it with will not be able to find that computer because it is not discovered. So you have to make sure that it is in there. The allow is checked and you press apply. You select OK. You can test with to check and see if your Bluetooth function is working. You can just say add device. You go to Bluetooth. You search and see if you can find your device here. You just click on it to try to connect. To ask you to give you the number to pair with. You go to the receiving device and pair. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.